Imagine waking up and finding out that Bitcoin has just shattered the $106,000 mark. Sounds unbelievable? Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. Bitcoin is back in the spotlight with an explosive rally, and this time it's not just hype. It's being driven by a powerful mix of global events. From a fresh trade truce between the U.S. and China to surprisingly low inflation data, everything seems to be working in Bitcoin's favor. But wait, there's more. The U.S. just had its credit rating downgraded, and instead of panicking, investors are running to Bitcoin as a safe haven. In today's video, we're diving deep into why this massive price surge happened, what it means for the near future, and why top analysts believe the next bull run may have just begun. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear view of where Bitcoin is heading. And hey, if you want to stay ahead in the crypto world, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Just hours ago, Bitcoin surged past the $106,000 barrier, a level few thought possible in the short term. This breakout didn't happen in a vacuum. Global markets were lifted by a new truce between the United States and China, calming down international tensions and making investors more open to risk. At the same time, U.S. inflation numbers came in lower than expected, fueling hope that the Federal Reserve may soon ease interest rates. That optimism was a direct catalyst for Bitcoin's rise, reviving the narrative of BTC as a hedge against fiat instability. But what really caught the market off guard was the reaction to the U.S. credit downgrade by Moody's. Rather than selling off, investors doubled down on Bitcoin, a clear signal that many now see it not just as a speculative asset, but as a reliable store of value during uncertain times. However, as any seasoned investor knows, the crypto market is anything but stable. Right after hitting that $106,000 high, Bitcoin corrected sharply, wiping out over $600 million in liquidations globally. This correction, while intense, didn't break the bullish sentiment. In fact, BTC has managed to hold above $104,000, a key psychological level, suggesting strong underlying demand. Meanwhile, institutional players are doubling down. Strategy, one of the major holders, just added 7,390 new BTC to its stash, pushing their total holdings to over 576,000 BTC. Moves like this are not about quick flips. They signal a deep belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential. Big money is treating Bitcoin not as a gamble, but as a strategic cornerstone, and that changes everything. And it's not just the big investors making moves. Crypto exchange OKX just launched a major campaign offering free Bitcoin bonuses for new users, a clear sign of how competitive the crypto space is becoming. Everyone wants a piece of this momentum, but perhaps the boldest voice right now is Arthur Hayes, co-founder of BitMEX, who just made a jaw-dropping prediction. Bitcoin could hit $200,000 by the end of this year, and possibly even $250,000 if momentum keeps building. According to Hayes, macro conditions, limited BTC supply and global demand are setting up what he calls the perfect storm for a new all-time high. And whether you believe his forecast or not, one thing's clear. The crypto market is heating up fast, and those who sleep on it may get left behind. With everything unfolding at once, surging prices, institutional confidence, bold predictions, it's clear we're not just in a hype cycle. We might be entering a defining moment for Bitcoin. It's no longer just a tech experiment or a fringe investment. It's evolving into a legitimate part of the global financial system. Sure, there's still volatility. That's the nature of crypto. But if you're watching this video, you're already ahead of the game. You're not just reacting, you're preparing. So if you want to keep winning in this space, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Share this video with someone who keeps asking, is it too late to invest in Bitcoin? And subscribe to the channel. This is just the beginning, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.